Keva cough syrup, homemade formula for quick relief from cough. Keva cough syrup is honey-based herbal syrup that is fortified with tulsi, mulethi, and other powerful scientifically proven herbs to be helpful in cold, cough, respiratory infections, flu, sore throat, etc. Keva cough syrup is a safe non-alcoholic and non-sedating herbal syrup which assists the normal function of the respiratory tract, mucous membrane and muscles. Keva cough syrup is beneficial in both productive, that is wet, and unproductive, that is dry cough. The mucolytic and expectorant properties reduce the viscosity of bronchial secretions and facilitate expectoration. Keva cough syrup peripheral antitussive, that is cough suppressant action, reduces bronchial mucosal irritation and related bronchospasm. In addition, the anti-allergic, antimicrobial and immune modifying properties provide relief from cough. The demulcent action of Keva cough syrup soothes respiratory passages. It contains Adisoda vesica, Ocimum sanctum, Piper longum, Zingiber officinale, Solanum xanthocarpum, Hedychium, Spicatum, Glycyrrhiza, Glabra, Mentha piperita and honey. Features: effectively controls cough, relieves throat irritation, age-old traditional formula, no alcohol, no additives, no drowsiness, good anti-allergic expectorant and antitussive formula, relieves chest congestion. Dosage: for adults take 1 to 2 teaspoons thrice a day, and for children take half teaspoon thrice a day. Shake well before use. Thank you.